EmkoBoard Interactive Display Slide-Out Concept System. The EmkoBoard Interactive Display Slide-Out System is a specially designed concept system for institutions that want to use an interactive display together with a traditional whiteboard. The system consists of two movable Emko-guaranteed enamel writing surfaces with a rail mechanism and a wall-mounted frame that holds them together with the EmkoBoards. These writing surfaces are coated with Emko's scratch-resistant and durable ceramic steel enamel surface, developed with over 50 years of experience. Beneath the surface, there is a 0.30 mm galvanized sheet and 8 mm MDF support. The slide-out side covers are made of 18 mm MDF-LAM structure. When the panels come together, the joints appear only as a thin line, creating a seamless and unified surface appearance. Thanks to the integrated brake mechanism of the rail system, the covers open and close safely, preventing finger pinching and ensuring quiet and smooth operation. Thanks to its compact design, it does not take up much space on the classroom wall. At the same time, it provides easy access to the interactive display's connection ports when open and to the OPS module when closed. Installation can be applied to flat walls or load-bearing MDF surfaces. Its modular structure allows it to be completely disassembled and reassembled. For more information, please visit Emkotech.com.